Stephen Kelly here from Southwest Survival, and like I always say, just please subscribe to my channel, give us a like and give us a comment. Today what I'm going to go through, I'm going to give you a review and show you how to set up the Zelter Shelter. At the minute I'm just out in Dartmoor doing a bit of navigational and survival outdoor training, just getting in the hills, doing a bit of adventure. That's what we all love, isn't it? But yeah, first things first is I'm going to show you the shelter. So I carry this on me all times. Reason being, it's light, it's durable, and it's good for an emergency. So if the weather comes in, I can throw my shelter up, or if I'm with a party and I get a casualty, I can knock the shelter up dead quick, get the casualty out of the elements and keep them safe. Good thing about the Zelter shelters, they come in a canoe bag, alright? And on the new ones now, they've got instructions how to set it up, and you can turn the Zelter shelter into a waterproof coat as well. So, right, so here's your Zelter shelter, right? It's windproof, waterproof and light. All you do with the shelter is move it around like so. Then what you've got is a air valve in here. So unzip it, unclip it, then get to the air valve. All you're doing then is open it up. It is as simple as that. What else you can do this, say the weather's really bad, you've got little ties on here as well, you can peg them out, and you do get a few pegs with it as well. But that's as simple as that, the Zelter shelter. All it is an air tube in here, and that's it. Good to get out of the elements, nice and sturdy when it's all pegged out. And have a little look inside it. And that is it. Other things I carry on me at all times is I always carry a sleeping bag and a bivvy bag with me as well. Also, I keep this in a canoe bag just to make sure it's dry in case it rains heavy or I'm doing a river crossing. And it's as simple as this. Look, there's a bivvy bag, military style bivvy bag, and I have got a sleeping bag liner, just nice and light. Get yourself in here. And it's as simple as that, nice and cosy. It's got zips on the inside. I can zip it all up and that's me out the elements. And as you've seen there, that's a quick shelter knocked up in an emergency. As quick as it is putting it up, it's quick enough putting away as well. So all to do is undo the air valve, let that blow down, and while it's blowing down I can start packing my kit away. Like I said before as well, it also turned into a raincoat, so if you want to wear it you can. But I'm just showing you a quick demonstration how to knock it up and how to take it down. You hear all the air pushing out? All we're going to do, knock all the air out of it. Back in the canoe bag. And I'm good to go. It's as simple as that. So that's the quick review of the Zelter Shelter. Hopefully you enjoyed it, and like I said, they're really good bits of kit, nice and light, easy to pack away, and amazing for an emergency, especially if you've got a casualty. Get them out the elements, it just blows up dead quick, and that is it. Like I always say, thank you very much for tuning in. Please give us a like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you all soon. Bye.